Imagine you're holding in your hands more than just a smartphone. It's an experience waiting to unfold. Well, you're in for a treat, because today we're putting Xiaomi's latest masterpiece, the Xiaomi 13T Pro, in the spotlight. Let's dive right in to uncover the jaw-dropping surprises it has in store. This isn't your average review, so don't even think about skipping a second. You don't want to miss what's coming. Xiaomi's T-series has always been about offering flagship-grade features without breaking the bank. But this year, they've taken it to a whole new level with the Xiaomi 13T Pro. It's a game-changer in the T-series, and it's got everyone talking. Today, we'll unravel the mystery of this device, and I promise you, it's nothing short of mind-blowing. Let's kick things off with the unboxing experience. Inside that sleek package, you'll find the Xiaomi 13T Pro, and trust me, it's love at first sight. The design is top-notch, and that camera module, it's more than just a pretty sight. We'll get to that later. The device feels solid, and if you opt for the Alpine blue color, it comes with a soft-textured vegan leather backplate. It's thin, it's light, and it's even water and dust resistant, thanks to its IP68 certification. Xiaomi doesn't skimp on the details. Now, let's dive into the immersive display. The Xiaomi 13T Pro boasts a stunning flat crystal Res AMOLED display. It's not just sharp, it's remarkably vibrant, offering a feast for your eyes. But the real star of the show is the display's 144Hz screen refresh rate. That's right, 144Hz, delivering a buttery smooth experience that sets the device apart. Running on MIUI 14 over Android 13, it's a winning combination. What's remarkable is that Xiaomi is committed to providing a bloat-free experience with full Google services, and they're not stopping there. They promise 4 generations of major Android software updates and 5 years of security patches. Let's talk power and performance. This beast is powered by a capacious 5000 mAh battery. And it's not just any battery. It's managed by Xiaomi's Search G1 battery management chip, ensuring efficient use of every milliampere. But here's the kicker, it comes with an absolute game changer. The 120-watt fast-wired charging. Yes, you heard that right. From 0 to 100 in just 19 minutes. And if that's not impressive enough, heat dissipation has improved too. This phone doesn't break a sweat, even during the most intense tasks. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, performance. Xiaomi has equipped the 13T Pro with the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset. But this isn't just any chipset. It runs at an insane 3.35 GHz. Paired with an integrated ARM Mali G715 GPU, it's ready to handle your heaviest gaming sessions. With up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, this device doesn't just handle tasks, it conquers them. And the best part? You can even add an additional 8 GB of RAM through memory extension. Fast, smooth, and ready for anything. This is what we mean by flagship performance. Connectivity is where the Xiaomi 13T Pro shines. With Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, Dual SIM 5G, and Wi-Fi 7, you're at the forefront of connectivity technology. And for those of you who appreciate the old school tech, there's even an IR blaster. But that's not all. The haptic feedback on this device is not just your ordinary feedback. It's fully customizable, ensuring that every tap feels just right. And when it comes to sound, Xiaomi doesn't disappoint. Dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support turn your audio experience into something that will blow you away. But what's a flagship without a stellar camera? The Xiaomi 13T Pro boasts a triple camera setup, ultra-wide, main, and a telephoto lens. But Xiaomi has listened to its users and left those useless macro cameras in the past. The main camera is where the magic happens, and it boasts a 50-megapixel Sony sensor. The result? Shots with jaw-dropping detail. But the real star of the show is the telephoto sensor. Offering optical zoom, it's a game changer for those who love capturing distant subjects. And let's not forget, Xiaomi's partnership with Leica brings magic to the camera system, with different photogenic styles for you to choose from. Let's not overlook selfies. They're razor sharp, with the kind of detail you'd expect from a flagship device. Portrait shots? They're not just good, they're flawless. But here's where it gets interesting. Low light performance. Whether you're out at night or in a dimly lit room, the Xiaomi 13T Pro shines, capturing stunning low-light shots. But what's even more exciting is the video capabilities. It can handle 8K recording, 4K at 60 FPS, and slow motion at 960 FPS. If you're a content creator, this device is your dream come true. When the lights go down, the Xiaomi 13T Pro doesn't back away. Night mode photography and video recording have never looked better. It's like having a professional camera right in your pocket, ready to capture those memorable moments even in challenging lighting conditions. In the end, Xiaomi's 13T Pro is a game changer with flagship features, exceptional performance, and an impressive camera system. Before you go, share your thoughts in the comments and stay tuned with Tech Without Borders for more tech adventures. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.